Hi, Kit Davy here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this sweet book. It's made from one piece of paper and it folds up into this really sweet little house shape. Once you know how to make it, you can scale it up or scale it down. So what you need to make the book is a ruler, a pencil, an X-Acto knife, and a rectangular piece of paper. And the one that I'm using to demonstrate with today is 5.5 by 8.5, just half of a regular computer paper sheet. So what we'll do first is fold it in half, and then we're going to fold it in quarters. I'll bring this side up to the center line, spin it around and fold into the center line again. And then I'm going to fold it in half lengthwise. Then I'm going to use my ruler to trace a line that goes from here to here, and then from here all the way down to here. So we're just gonna, these are going to be guidelines for us to know where to use our X-Acto knife. So I'm drawing a line from here all the way down to this point here. And then I'm going to draw a line from here to here, this quadrant. And then using my X-Acto knife, I'm going to cut a Z shape like this. It's still attached right there. Then I'm going to fold it in half again, and you can kind of see the roof lines right there. And then I'm going to push these two ends together so that I create kind of like a box shape, a house shape in the center. And then push this house over to that corner and this house over to this corner. And if you have a bone folder, you can use that. And I'm going to fold back this flap and fold back this house. And you can arrange the pages however you want. You can have this part of the house front, or you can put it towards the back. But you have a 4-page book with 2 house shapes. And if you're going to make some out of paper that you have on hand, it's best if it's double-sided. So here I used a dictionary page, and here I made a photocopy of a nice pattern, turned it over in the printer tray, and photocopied it again, so I'd have a pattern on both sides. So have fun making your house-shaped book from one piece of paper.